Hello and welcome to another training session. I was recently doing a presentation and I got asked a question about making a file read-only. So I thought I'd just quickly put together a video showing you a couple of different ways of doing this and the advantages and disadvantages of each way. So the simple way of doing it is simply to come to the file itself or the folder, and you can right click on it, and under the properties you got the option to make this read-only. Now, this file is either read-only or it isn't. In other words, anybody who opens this file from now on cannot save it with the same name. So they can't just press save. Anytime they press save, it forces a save as, and it tells them to save with a different file name, and it will not overwrite this particular file. Now, of course, I can still overwrite this file by saving it with a different name, and then deleting this file and renaming the one that I saved as this name. So it's not an entirely foolproof way, and it's actually quite awkward for some people because it's not immediately obvious how they can open this to edit it. So let's have a look at another way that we can do it, and this is directly from Excel. When we save the file, so I just hit F12 to save, we can go into the tools, and under General Options, what we're looking for is the read-only recommended. So it's not forcing read-only, but it's recommending it to the users. Now when I click Save, if I close this file and then go back to open it again, as soon as I try and open this file, I will get a dialog saying the author, which is me, has asked you to open this as read-only, unless you need to make changes. So the default is that I say yes, which will open the file as read-only. So as soon as I click yes, you'll notice it's now opened the file and it is annotated as read-only. Now what this lets the user do is it lets the user open that file to view the data, and lets multiple people open the file at the same time if they're all viewing it read-only. So unless they need to change the data, this is a very good option. But if somebody does need to change the data, they've got a very simple way of doing so by simply, when they open the file, not saying they want to open it as read-only, and now they're opening it as read-write, so it no longer says the read-only at the top of the screen. Okay, that was just a quick guide on how to work with files in Excel as read-only. I hope it's been useful, and thank you for listening.